If we go into Amazon, we're going to start with a branding release. In that branding release, we are going to link to the off Amazon store and your Amazon store. So we're going to link to both of them. And if you don't have an off Amazon store, or your client doesn't have an off Amazon store, hit me up and we'll talk later about why you absolutely have to have one. The biggest, most important thing is do not ever, 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 never, ever, ever link directly to an Amazon product in a press release or any off-page backlinking that you do with the intent of manipulating or getting better results in Google. It will completely crater your Amazon rankings. And the main reason for that is Amazon really depends on what happens after you click through to a product. When that prospect clicks through to a product and then they bounce, Amazon hates that and it will kill your product rankings when that happens. And what do crawlers do? Crawlers click on it and they don't buy. It emulates that, and Google for whatever, or Amazon for whatever reason, has not shown the intelligence, or maybe they just don't care to exclude crawlers and things like that. So we have seen where if you link directly to an Amazon product, it will kill your Amazon rankings. And then again, similarly, don't use CTR here. It's really dangerous because that's just going to even amplify that effect even more. So when we're using press releases for Amazon products, we're really caring more about Amazon search as opposed to Google search. We're still going to drive some traffic through Google, and we'll talk about how to link to a product in a minute. But most people who are shopping on Amazon are already on Amazon, so we want to kind of build that relevance there and kind of protect those Amazon rankings at all costs.